wind. We're at Sentinel Park. The wind is whistling. I don't know if you can hear. The wind is whistling, and it's so cold. The only thing on my mind right now is I'm never going hiking again. That's the only thing on my mind right now. And let's hear from Gareth. Any thoughts? For a hike?
This will be my last hike. The only thought, only thing that I can think
the only
of.
thing? This will be your last hike?
This will be my last hike.
Let me go to Tulani. Tulani, your thoughts?
I don't know why you guys brought me here. This will be my first hike with you guys and my last. because where I come from in Durban, winter, we're done with winter. But here it's like we're starting afresh. Nah. But anyway, let's see what happens. We'll see on top.
Yes, there's the guy. The guy is busy organizing permits. How bad is the hike?
Not bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah, it's doable.
It's doable, ne?
Yeah.
In how many hours?
4.5 hours up a day and back.
2 hours 15. 2 hours 15 up and 2 hours 15 back.
Yeah.
Got it like that. Thanks, ne?
Sharp, sharp.
We'll see you later. Bye. We started the hike at 5:30 in the morning. We've been hiking for 30 minutes now. And from here until the bottom of that big rock, it's 2 hours. And then from there we take the chain ladder up to the top of the waterfall. That will be about an hour to get there. You know how often people will tell you don't look down? Well, today I'm afraid to look up. I'm getting dizzy just looking at this view. It's been 2.5 hours. We just made it to the bottom of the chain ladders. Right there behind me, somewhere, yeah, there's the chain ladders. There's 2 of them. It's gonna take us to the top of the mountain. And from here, it's an hour. It's an hour till the waterfall. Still going good. This is the easiest hard hike that I've ever been on. I can't believe I'm actually saying this about the Drakensburg Mountain, that it's a walk in the park. But yeah, it is what it is. We're about to start the chain ladder. We see you at the top. made it to the Tugela Falls, to the highest waterfall in the world. And now it's time to go back. Going back to Sentinel car park. Yeah, it was a nice hike. If you can, just look there, background. And there's the waterfall. There's the waterfall.
We made it to the waterfall. We made it.
Yeah, we made it to the waterfall. There's my boy. Roland. Look at that paving there. This trail is paved a couple of kilometers. This is what I mean when I say this is the easiest hard hike that I have ever done. And on my right you can see my boy on the phone. We are finished with the hike. 5 hours later, 11 kilometers done. And without a doubt I can say this was the best hike that I've ever been to, for mainly 2 reasons. Reason number 1 being the hiking trail. The hiking trail is paved. Reason number 2, the best views. Unbelievable. How was the hike?
I would say it's a nice experience. To be done again. But not before.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please, let's get how many likes? 50 likes. Let's get 50 likes on this one, please. Thank you. I love you. No. Bye.